As the only Australian manufacturer of LVL and I-joists, we're here to cover the top 3 questions for Wesbeam. The first topic is timber treatment. To determine the level of treatment required, we need to know where the product is being used. Is it inside or outside? Is it above the ground or in contact with the ground? Is it south or north of the Tropic of Capricorn? Regardless of where the product is being used, we recommend that it be termite treated. Wesbeam E2S is treated for use south of the Tropic of Capricorn, much like H2S pine. The special thing about the E2S treatment is that it's included in the glue line we use. Glue line treatment means that when you cut, notch, splay or drill a hole in the Wesbeam E2S treated LVL, you are not compromising the termite protection. And when Wesbeam LVL is used north of the Tropic of Capricorn, then H2 treatment is required to provide protection against more aggressive termites. In exposed applications such as bearers and joists supporting exposed decking, protection against fungal attack is required. In these applications, LVL and pine are treated to level H3 for protection against termite and fungal attack. In summary, the higher the number, the greater the level of treatment. The next topic is notching and cutting. The rules for cutting and notching all timber products are set out in AS 1684. There are no special rules for Wesbeam LVL. For LVL beams deeper than 200 millimetres, you can drill a hole through the side with a diameter up to 50 millimetres to run electrical conduit. You can notch and splay 25% of the beam depth at the ends to fit into a supporting structure or onto a wall. You can drill a vertical hole through the LVL up to maximum diameter of 25% of the beam's width. Just like other structural timber, you cannot drill larger holes in the beam for things like plumbing and air conditioning. That's where E-joists come in. Contact Wesbeam's technical team for further information on this. The last topic is about figuring out the right LVL size you may need. To find the right size beam for the job, you need to know 3 things. Firstly, define the application. What is the beam doing? Is it a roof beam supporting rafters? Is it a lintel in a wall frame? Or is it a floor joist supporting a heavy floor? Next, define the span. What is the distance between the walls or beams supporting the beam? Is it a single span? Or will the beam span across an intermediate support, creating a continuous span? Lastly, define the loads. How much weight is going to be applied to the beam? Is the roof cladding metal sheeting? Or tiles? Is it supporting a wall as well? Is it supporting flooring? With these pieces of information, the LVL size can be determined using our span charts, or by phoning the Wesbeam technical hotline and speaking to a member of our experienced design team. Thank you for taking this time to expand your LVL product knowledge.